Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essential tools and creating a controlled environment. First, park on a flat surface in daylight so you can see undercarriage details. Remove loose items from the cabin. Next, power down the vehicle and note fuel cap, OBD2 location, and antenna base. Use an LED flashlight and gloves to inspect obvious exterior mounts and wheel wells. Make sure to mirror the VIN and license plate info against any aftermarket parts. Once done, proceed to focus scanning. You now perform a methodical scan of likely hiding spots. Begin at the OBD2 port. Use your reader to detect powered modules and physically inspect the connector for third-party dongles. Then check undercarriage, wheel wells, bumpers, antenna bases, and trunk seams, following wiring harnesses where trackers often tap power. Use a strong magnet along metal panels to reveal adhesive packages, and listen closely for faint beeps or LED flashes when the vehicle is briefly powered. Make sure to photograph any suspect device. You finish by confirming identity and safely removing the tracker. First, photograph the device, note any serial or SIM info, and power cycle the vehicle to observe whether LEDs or signals respond. This verifies functionality. If you remove it, disconnect battery first for safety, unmount the housing, and secure exposed wiring so no vehicle systems are harmed. Finally, if the device seems tampered with or you suspect criminal intent, retain evidence and contact law enforcement or a trusted professional installer for further handling. Troubleshooting tip: if the device hides deep, use a handheld RF detector to locate transmissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.